So with the SLIGER SM560 case, you have a choice of a few different panels. One of them is a solid panel that is something like this. The next type of a panel is this kind of a grill style panel with slots, I guess, cut into it. The next panel that you can use is sort of a glass panel. So this one is pretty cool in a sense that it provides a good clear view of what's inside of your case. So I figured that I can do something that no one else has, and I could create a side panel that is fairly unique and something that no one has, really. That's the point. I'm going to modify this side panel. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to replace that clear plastic with this mesh that I made myself. So basically this modification is simple and doesn't require a whole lot of knowledge or skills or effort. So in order to implement that modification, I'm going to remove these 4 pins on the inside of the panel. So once those pins are removed, this beautiful piece of glass comes off. So the next thing that I'm going to do is place this mesh over these pins, and the pattern should match, and then I'm going to reinstall pins. I can, I suppose, have a wrench and use a wrench and make them tight. So once those pins are reinstalled, this panel can just go back to where it belongs, like so. Just clips in place like this, and that's pretty much the end of this upgrade modification. And that's what it looks like. And just to show what the other side looks like, here's a shot of the GPU side of this case.